Hi, welcome to another additional At Home with Winning Appliances. I'm Gianni, Culinary Expert. Today I'm going to show you an amazing recipe as Anzac biscuits in a ILVE grigio lusso oven using an amazing recipe from a great baker, Gianni. The recipe is very easy to make. It's very easy to make with kids as well. 100 grams rolled oats, just mixing in a bowl. 90 grams desiccated coconut. 150 grams plain flour, 150 grams of superfine sugar. So it's very easy recipe to make it having fun with kids, and all the ingredients are very easy to find in your pantry. So just mix them up all together. Now let's get for the wet ingredient. It's basically going to put butter in a saucepan. So now in my saucepan I got 125 grams of unsalted butter. I let it melt gently, and once this is done, I'm just going to add like 90 grams of golden syrup. So as you can see here, I got already boiling water, which is very essential to mix with a half tablespoon of decap soda. Basically the decap gives an extra chewy at the biscuit, and it's going to be a little bit of a chemistry in our saucepan there. So I'm going now to add my golden syrup. As a substitute of the golden syrup, you can also use honey if you like. I let it melt gently, and I just need 1 tablespoon of boiling water. I already prepped here half teaspoon of decap. Just mix them gently. Basically, once that I put the decap in there, it's gonna froth up a little bit. It's gonna look like a toffee honeycomb. Stir, 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 very gently. And then we're going to head to our dry ingredients. So at the beginning it might look a little bit too wet, but I'm quite sure it's gonna be fine. So just mix it. Combine them all ingredient all together. There are 2 kinds of Anzac biscuits. One is nice and thin and crispy, the other one a little bit golden and a little bit chewy. This one looks like more the second one. Just now I finished rolling my ingredients. I'm gonna start making like a small ball and press a little bit into your palm. They're gonna be around 30 grams as set on my tray with the parchment paper. So usually from this recipe you can get something between 20 to 24 Anzac biscuits. Depends the size that you like it actually. So just please keep it quite space between each other, because while they're cooking they tend to expand a little bit. So now I just finished rolling. I put in my parchment paper. What I'm going to do, I just help them to press them a little bit. I'm going to use a glass. Just pinch them a little bit very gently. Don't be too hard. And as you can see, I left nice distances between them. I preheat my oven at 180 degrees fan force. As you can see, my cooking nice and pressed quite even. Now I'm going to bake it. I like to put it here in the middle of the oven, and I'm gonna set a timer of 15 minutes. This particular range called Grigio Lusso is an exclusive brand for Winning Appliances. It's made in Italy just like me. It's a pyrolytic 60 centimeters oven, which is very, very easy to clean. It comes with a touch control, very, very easy to use. My 15 minutes is gone. I'm going to check my cooking. They look nice, crispy and gold, even cooking. Once it's cooled down a little bit, just I'm now going to remove the cooking on the rack. Very easy and gently. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to follow us on Instagram or jump on our website for more recipes like this.